Hey guys, my name is Niara and today I'm gonna be showing you how to do like a light, fresh, springy, summery makeup look. I personally am like a full glam type of girl. I like my makeup. For today's video, I'm gonna lighten it up for you guys. So I'm gonna show you how I do that using some products from my Subtl stack. So if you're interested, just keep watching. I have put down a light, super light layer of foundation. They have a lot of great tinted moisturizers, foundations, skin tints, tinted SPFs, all kind of tinted things out nowadays. So you have your pick of the litter. Honestly, I actually do review a lot of them on my channel, so if you're interested, you should head over there. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is conceal. I'm going to use the shade Etna. This is like more of like my concealer shade. As you can see, we are hitting pan on her. Then after I get this like everywhere I want it to be, really focus on my dark circles, I'm gonna blend it out with a sponge, a damp sponge. Down the bridge of my nose. And then on my chin a little bit. And I just start on my forehead first. I'm just gonna blend it out. And this is, what shade is this? I wanna say this is Ellsworth. Yes, it is. This is the Ellsworth. I just use this like as a little bit of bronzer. It's a bit darker. So whatever concealer shade you use, just pick a shade that's like 2 to 3 shades darker. You can use that as a bronzer. So for my blush, I am gonna use the Dusty Rose. I actually really like this shade. It's one of my favorites. And I'm just gonna take a flat brush and really dig into it. Subtle, we have a cream blush. We have some shades we can use as a bronzer. We should get a cream highlight. This idea. And I'm just gonna pat it on. All right, now that we have our base all down, we have a contour, we have a highlight, all that jazz. Now we can go in and set. So I'm gonna put my setting powder on and I will be right back. All right, so I put my brows on, I have my setting powder down. Let's see, what are we gonna do next? Our eyes. Let's do our eyes really fast. Mostly use a highlight, but for me, using a highlighter only can get real like frosty 2000s looking eyes, if you know what I mean. So I'm just dipping my eyeshadow brush in a little bit of bronzer, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease before I apply highlight to my eyes. But a highlight, once you find one that you really like that is suitable for your skin tone, you can do so many things. You can put her on your lips, you can put her on your eyes, obviously on your cheekbones and your nose. I am going to take my highlight. I'm actually gonna mix them. So I have Rosé and Champagne. So I'm actually gonna mix both of them, just using my finger. And I'll swipe them on my eyes. It almost kind of gives you like a glistening effect, like how they had like those eyeglasses that were really popular last year. But I like this highlight because it's very sheer, like when you first touch it, but it is buildable. I'm gonna keep using my Champagne, and I just get in there. It's going, I pick up a bunch. And I just pat her very lightly on the tops of my cheekbones, on my nose, See how she builds up? So nice. And that's it. This is a look I would wear to work. Maybe if I was going to like a daytime wedding type of deal, I would wear this look a lot of different places. It's so versatile, it's so light, and it's so neutral that you can wear it just about anywhere, even if you just want to get spruced up to go to the grocery store, because we're breaking free. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, my name is Niara Alexis. You can find me on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, all those places with that handle. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you next time.